English teacher. Welcome back to our channel. Here we are going to start one new topic in our grammar subject. What is the name of this topic? Conjunctions. Last we have learned about prepositions, right? So now we are going to learn about conjunctions. Now what is the meaning of conjunctions? This topic you have learned in your lower grade also. If you remember, you have learned conjunctions. Now what is the meaning of conjunctions? The word which we are using to join group of words or two sentences, or you can say for two words. So which word we are using to combine them, to join them? We are using the words that is known as conjunctions. So now conjunctions, how it is helping us in grammar? It is helping us when we want to speak about two words, about two sentences continue. So what we will use for combining them or for joining them, that sentences, we will use conjunctions. Now in this you are going to learn three conjunctions. You are going to learn three conjunctions. Okay? Okay. So in this chapter conjunctions, we are going to learn three conjunctions. Okay. So let's look onto the board. I have written three common conjunctions are A and D and. This is the conjunction word. Next is but, but, and the next is or. So in this chapter you will learn how to use the conjunction words and, but, or. These three are the conjunctions. As we are using these three words for two group of words, two sentences, for combining these sentences, we are using these conjunctions. Okay. So first of all, we are going to learn how to use conjunction word A and D and. Okay. So I am going to show you some examples how to use A and D and conjunction word. Okay, so let's look onto the board. First we are going to learn conjunction and. Okay, we use and to join similar words. We are using the word and for joining the two similar words, group of words or sentences. We can use this conjunction word for these three things. For similar words or two group of words or two sentences. When we want to say together two sentences, for that we can use conjunction word and. Okay, I have prepared examples also, so you can look onto the board. We buy fruits and vegetables. What I have used? A and D and. When we are talking about two words, like I am going to do one activity and it is about buy, means I am going to purchase it. So what I am going to purchase? Fruits and vegetables. So these are the two things I am purchasing. So what I will say? Fruits and vegetables. So what I have used here? A and D and. Next is we pack cheese sandwiches and fruit juice for the picnic. As we are going to for the picnic. So what I will do? I will carry some of the things. So what I have carried in this? Cheese sandwiches and juice. So this is the one thing which what I am doing? Pack. Which activity I have done here? Pack. But which things I have packed in this? Sandwiches and fruit juices. So here the word and which we have used for the two group of words, that is cheese sandwiches and fruit juice. Okay. For more example I can give to you that if suppose some boys are going some boys are going for shopping. So at that time what you will say to the shopkeeper? Please show us some of the jeans and shirt. If you are going to purchase both of the things, so what you will say? We are here to purchase jeans and shirt. You are not going to say jeans shirt. What we will say? Jeans and shirt, or else you can say shirt and jeans, right? So for the two things what we have used? A and D and. Okay students, so look here. Next I have prepared some example and one definition which is more clear to you how to use conjunction word or. Okay. So the word or is used. What I have written? The word or is used to join words, group of words or sentences when we have a choice between things. Now here, when you are having the choice, when you are having the options to select one thing from them, so you are getting the option for options, we are using the conjunction word or, right? Suppose your mother is giving you option. What do you want to purchase? Jeans or shirt? Here mother is giving you option. She is not asking to purchase a pair. अगर pair purchase करना है तो हम क्या बोलेंगे शॉपकीपर को? Please show us shirt and jeans. But here the mother is going to give you the options. मैं सिर्फ और सिर्फ वन चीज आपको परचेस करने दूंगी, शर्ट या फिर जीन्स. तो व्हाट आई हैव यूज्ड इन हिंदी? या फिर, राइट. सो या जो वर्ड यूज होता है हिंदी में वो किसके लिए होता है? ओ आर और. ओके, सो सी आई हैव प्रिपेयर्ड टू एग्जांपल्स आल्सो. डू यू लाइक मैंगोस और पाइनएप्पल्स? हियर द ऑप्शंस आर गिवन टू यू. हियर सी वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट फ्रूट्स. सो ऑप्शन इज गिवन टू यू. व्हाट डू यू लाइक? डू यू लाइक मैंगोस और पाइनएप्पल्स? Right? So what I have used or one because here the option, here I am asking about your choice. What do you like most? So मैं options दूंगी तभी मुझे पता चलेगा क्या आपको पसंद है. So क्या पसंद है, मैंगो या पाइनएप्पल्स? So or. Next, you can have orange juice or cold coffee. So what is the option here? You are having the option between orange juice or cold coffee. Suppose at your home your mother is asking to you, nowadays summer season is there, right? We are feeling like we want some cold liquid to drink. So your mother is giving you option, orange juice or cold coffee. So here the options are two, orange juice or cold coffee. You are going to select one option from both of the things. So that's why I have used or word. On to the board, I have prepared first of all two examples. Here you have to use conjunctions. First conjunction you can use and or else you can use or. These both options we have to use, not together, one by one, which is suitable according to the sentence. So let's read number 1. Is that Meena? Question mark. Is that Hina? Question mark. Now here I am having, suppose one girl is moving from my side and I am having the doubt. Suppose another person is standing with me. Now I am going to ask that question to that person. Is that Meena? Is that Hina? So together what I will speak means I am having the doubt particular person. वो मीना है या हीना है? Okay, that is only one girl. I am having the options. Which girl she is? Meena or Hina? So how I will make the answer in this? Look onto the board. First of all, I will write same. Is that Meena? Is that Meena? Now what I will do? I am going to use the conjunction word or because I am having the options Meena ya Hina. So I am going to use the option or. But what I will write or is that Hina? Like this I am going to write. Or is that Hina? No. In this way you can't write because is that these two words you can see we have written the priorly already. So in this we are not supposed to repeat the same words again. Okay. So you have to put the question mark at the end only. You have to use these punctuations like full stop or question mark at the end of the sentence only. We will make this sentence like this. Is that Meena or Hina? I will write here only directly Hina. No need to write is that again, and no need to put question mark here also. At the end only we need to put it. So is that Meena or Hina? Question mark. Don't forget to put a question mark. If question mark is given to you in question, you have to use that punctuation same marks in the answer also. You are already aware that in grammar we are supposed to use punctuation mark properly. Otherwise your marks will be cut. Okay, first is clear to you. Now come to the second one. The bus stopped. Full stop. All the passengers got down. Here you can see two activities done. What first is done? Bus stop. Bus stop हो गई. After that what happened? Passengers got down. Okay. Bus stop हुई. Passengers नीचे. So which conjunction word we will use here? From and or we are going to use here a and the and. You can see how we will make the sentence. Bus stop हुई और passengers नीचे आए. Okay. और Hindi I said or. So in Hindi which I have used the word or, that is known as A and D and in English conjunction word. Okay, so how I will start writing? The bus stopped. Okay, here you can see the both of the sentence, not a single word is repeated. So what I will write? The bus stopped. In place of full stop, what I will add? A and D and. In place of full stop, I will write A and D and. Although, continue I will write, and all the passengers got down. Okay, at the end only you have to use the punctuation marks. In conjunction, here you are not supposed to make the full stop. In place of full stop only we are adding the word A and D and. Okay, both of the examples I have shown to you. That first one is the example of conjunction or, second one is the example of conjunction and. A and D and. Okay, now let's look on the examples. I have made more 2 examples for you. Okay, so let's read number first. I eat at home. My sister eats at school. Here you can see the activity is same only. That which is the activity? That is the activity of eating. So here we are talking about 2 different persons. That is me and my sister. Okay, we both are having the same activity of eating. Right? Here how I will make this sentence? I eat at home and my sister eats at school. So here we have and conjunction word in place of full stop, and rest of the sentence I have written same. So what is the sentence? I eat at home and my sister eats at school. So here we were talking about 2 things, means 2 persons, me and my sister. Now see, now number next is we can play basketball, we can practice for the play. Here we are talking about the same person, but the activities are 2. What is the 2 activities? What means 2 activities are, first is play and second is practice for the same thing. So which conjunction we are going to use here from and or? Here we are going to use or, because here we are talking about same person but different activities. Means 2 activities are there. So how I will make the sentence? I will make the sentence like this. We can play basketball. First of all, I am going to write the same thing. Okay. Next, which conjunction I am going to use? Or. So in place of full stop, we can. I am going to remove these 3 things and I am going to add or practice for the play. Rest of the things I have written same. Okay. Once again I am going to explain you. We can play basketball or practice for the play. Here we were talking about the same person, that it was the we. So for the same person we have removed one time. We have written it one time and next time we have removed it. So in place of full stop we can. In place of these 3 things I have added word or. And rest of the things I have written same, practice for the play. So in this video we have learned about how to use conjunctions and where to use the conjunction words. So main 3 conjunctions you are going to learn in this chapter: and, or, but. So in this video I have explained about conjunction word and conjunction word but. Sorry, or. Okay, in this we have learned and, or. These 2 words we have learned. I hope you have got it, this how to add these 2 conjunction words. If you have any query or doubt regarding this, you can ask me in your next live session. Please till that watch this video at your home. Thank you and have a nice day.